So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change bank on Apple Pay. So first of all, you will need to download the Wallet app since Apple Pay is linked with Apple Wallet. After that, open it up. From here you can see Wallet and you can see Apple Cash at the bottom. You can see the plus sign to add a card, so let's go ahead and click on that. Through here you can see previous cards, debit or credit cards. And when you've added a card, you can see it looking something like this. If you wish to change the bank on it, click on the three dots. You can see notifications, card details, and card number. So if you click on card details, you'll see some card information on here. And you can see something that makes this card specific, which bank it is a part of. So on here, in order to change the bank, I suggest just going to the plus sign and adding a different debit or credit card. So if it's in a different bank, you can see it through here. You can choose a bank. So right now it's this bank right here, but you can choose some other bank, like let's say this one, and you can click on continue. You can see how this will look. If you click on this, it's going to look something like that, and you can see it looks different. Every card looks a bit different on different screens. So whether it's a Master or Visa, you can change the bank through this. You can also check out the travel cards that you have. So through this screen, just make sure that your card and your bank are part of the Apple Pay system. So you can even add that bank, or rather that card, to your Apple Wallet. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Apple Pay or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.